Hi, this is Ken from Weight Loss Lab, brought to you by NobleWiki.com. In this video, I want to talk about tight belly fat and how to get rid of them. Before I continue, please take a second to click that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss any of our awesome videos. After you've finished watching the video, don't forget to check out the link in the description for further information and a special free resource guide we've created just for you. I bet you will not find these types of free resources anywhere else. That being said, let's dive in. Tight belly fat and how to get rid of them. What is tight belly? Well, it happens when the extra skin or fat around your middle shows, without you realizing it. It causes a competitive eating hierarchy to be established between triathletes over who can eat the most food and who is the fattest in cold conditions. March 9th brings us tight belly fat, the name that stands for barbell or body. The condition has emerged as an epidemic in women population at an alarming rate these days. It is due to advanced age of people, which its effects can be magnified several times with some negative reactions as well. Types of belly fat: female, and how to lose them. All tummy fat isn't something very similar for ladies. The manner in which ladies put on overabundance fat around their paunch relies upon chemicals, parenthood, stress, terrible dietary patterns. Ladies will quite often experience the ill effects of hormonal lopsided characteristics because of different changes in their bodies. Issues like pregnancy, distressing way of life, absence of activity, and terrible dietary patterns all add to abdominal fat gain. Controlling body fat requires a combination of exercising, eating well, sleeping, and managing stress. Types of belly fat: male, and how to lose them. It's not entertaining to have abdominal fat. Look at how cocoon fat is framed, what it means for men, and how you might have weight loss. Men are bound to collect visceral fat than ladies, which is the reason men are bound to create an apple-molded figure as abdominal fat develops. Strangely, muscle-to-fat ratio dissemination changes with age. If you're conveying a couple of additional pounds, you're in good company. It is recommended that you perform strength training exercises at least twice a week. You may need to exercise more if you would like to lose weight or reach specific fitness goals. In order to lose belly fat: visceral, one must exert effort and be patient. Slow and steady weight loss will help you lose excess fat and keep it off. For assistance regarding starting and maintaining your weight loss program, please contact your doctor. ACT scan or MRI is the most accurate method of measuring visceral fat. However, there is a much simpler, cheaper way to do this. Measure the circumference of your waist at the belly button using a measuring tape. Ensure that the tape measure is level while you are standing up. If you are a woman, your waist should not measure more than 35 inches, and for men, it should not measure more than 40 inches. Which type of belly fat is easy to lose? The most easiest way to lose belly fat is white visceral fat, otherwise known as hurtful profound midsection fat. This is ordinarily quick to go when you get thinner. The dynamic idea of visceral fat, what works everything out such that compromising regarding your well-being likewise makes it helpless against misfortune. This hard gut fat, as per the Mayo Clinic and American Journal Clinical Nutrition. How to know what kind of belly fat you have. The best way to genuinely gauge an individual's levels of this sort of visceral fat, or fat, is with an extraordinary bioimpedance scale in a specialist's office. These gadgets measure weight by sending a low, effortless current through the body. The rate at which the ongoing ventures is contrasted and level, as well as other physical estimations, and used to compute weight. Subcutaneous fat, then again, isn't all that confounded. It is a lot simpler to recognize with the unaided eye. It is the fat directly under your skin. Harper notes, this sort of fat can gather anyplace on the body and shows up delicate and blubbery. The speediest method for telling which sort of fat you're managing is just by squeezing it, in the event that you can squeeze it by any means. It's the subcutaneous kind. What type of clothes hide belly fat? Try not to dress what is tight on the basic region like the plague. Simultaneously, nonetheless, likewise keep away from that large number of pieces of clothing that go down wide solidly in the focal region of the body, making a trunk impact and killing any meaning of the waist. The arrangement, generally speaking, is to take on articles of clothing with little essential wraps. If we have any desire to dress to conceal our guts, they end up being valuable partners. The ideal curtains and ruches are the parallel ones. At abdomen level, they likewise function admirably if topsy-turvy, for example organized on one side just, or focal, making a feeling of verticality. How many types of belly fat are there? There are two fundamental kinds of paunch fat, one is tracked down under your skin and the other is tracked down further inside your midsection, encompassing your interior organs. Visceral fat tissue, VAT, or visceral stomach fat, is the fat that encompasses inward organs like your kidneys, liver, and pancreas, so it's a lot further in your midsection than subcutaneous fat. This is regularly alluded to as unsafe tummy fat. Subcutaneous fat, or subcutaneous fat tissue, SAT, is the fat that is tracked down under your skin. Types of belly fat shapes. Pear shape. People who have a pear-molded body, with additional fats on the lower body parts like hips and thighs, are subcutaneous fat that can be contacted and felt by the hands. Putting away or gathering a lot of it is related with an uplifted gamble of medical conditions like stroke, coronary illness, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, blood pressure, and hypertension. Apple shape. The apple-shaped stomach is known as a gut. It alludes to inordinate fat being put away around the stomach while the lower body keeps on being thin. This type of fat is more normal in men and way less secure than pear shape. This is where we will call it a wrap for this video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to us on YouTube, like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, and TikTok. We will also appreciate and respond if you leave us a comment below to tell us what you think. If you found this video helpful, please do well to click the share button so that others can benefit as well. Keep your eyes on our channel Weight Loss Lab for daily exciting, informative, and educative videos. Until next time, have a nice day.